So it's a good news for all the people who love biking and trekking. So this committee will take you on bike rides. It will take you on treks. For example, if you were not able to become a class representative in first year, still you can become a batch representative in second year. And if I talk about my committee, like I told you, I'll be telling you that. So I was a part of Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Chat on Vaishnavi's chat box. So a lot of you have asked me about the clubs and committees that we have in TAPME. So today I'll tell you in brief about all the clubs and committees, and I'll not go in detail because the video will become very lengthy. And towards the end, I'll also tell you about which committee I was a part of. And one more thing is that right now I'm telling you about all the committees that were there um in my time, as in 23-25 batch. Few things might change here and there. They might merge few committees and clubs, or they might introduce new committees and clubs, so don't take it as like a standard thing. But this is what we used to have till now, like till 2025. Okay, we'll go in alphabetical order. The very first committee that I'll tell you about is ARC, that is Alumni Relations Committee. So at the as the name suggests, they work with the aim of building and maintaining a good connection between the institutions and the alumni. And for that they conduct many events, they conduct many reunions and a lot of other things around that. So yeah, they work with that aim. The second committee is Atharva. So in TAPME, what happens, like our national level B School Fest, it lasts for like around 2-3 months. So it starts towards the end of the year, and then it lasts till January. So we have CSR events, business events, and cultural events. So to make this entire process and entire event successful, a group of people, or I should say a team, takes care of all of this, and that team is known as Atharva. So this is entire thing comes under a committee, that is Atharva only. So yeah, then we have BRATS. So BRATS stands for bikers, runners, and trekkers. So it's a good news for all the people who love biking and trekking. So this committee will take you on bike rides. It will take you on treks. In our time, it took people to Rani Jhari for a trek. So it was a good experience for people who went there. So this committee looks into things around that. They will conduct marathons, they'll conduct Zumba, they also take care of the entire gym process, or the operation, I should say. So yes, we have a CCT, that is the Competitions Committee of TAPME. So what they do, all the competitions that are taking place in TAPME and in other colleges, in other B schools, and also the corporate level competitions. So they make sure that everything comes to you. They make sure that they inform you about that, and also they also conduct few competitions. So there's a lot that each committee is doing, but what I am telling you is just like a very brief thing about it. So yes, they work around those then lines. We have a CultCom, that is the Cultural Committee of TAPME. So it is fun kind of a committee. If you are a person who is more into dance, music, and stuff, then maybe this is the place for you. They conduct events like freshers, farewell, then Halloween, New Year event, then Dandiya night. Then they have a dedicated 3-day event called as Waves. So a lot of events, sub events come under that. Like it's a intersectional war. So you have drama, dance, music under that. Then a lot of other games they conduct under that 3-day event. So yes, they work around those lines. We come to Esprit. So Esprit is a committee which conducts many events, but the biggest event, or the major event it is known for, is Quiz on the Beach. This is also one of a major event of TAPME. And People like they conduct several initial rounds in different cities. They go to different cities and conduct several rounds, and then the finals take place on a beach in Manipal. So people across India, they come there, like the finalists, and they have their final quiz round over there. And it is a very big event. A lot of big a lot many big companies, they are the sponsors of this event. So yes, Esprit is majorly known for this big event, and then they conduct other things as well. Then we come to Fin Forum, that is a finance forum. So as the name suggests, they conduct events around that, the events and competitions around that. Then we have Globiz. So Globiz is a committee that is working on lines of international business. So people majorly who are a part of IB, they are a part of this committee. Also, one more thing, in any committee like finance forum, Globiz, HR forum, marketing forum, or any other place, anyone can be a part of it. It's not like that it's HR forums only, HR people will be there. No, anyone can be a part of any committee. So in Globiz also, they conduct events around that. We have HR forum. So again, events around HR. They'll have case study competitions and a lot of other things. So they work on those lines. We have Lime. So Lime is the literary and media committee. So they also have a lot of work. They have a major role. So one thing is that they do all the coverage of all the events, like the photography, videography. So they work uh, uh, on those lines. Then they conduct a lot of events also. They have a 3-day event, that is two to 3 day event, that is known as Miraki. So they have a lot of sub events under that, they'll conduct workshops on photography, photo editing, video editing, Canva, then Photoshop. Then a lot of events, a lot of fun events like glass painting, art therapy, then uh, a few other things come under this. And then this committee works also as admissions committee. So people from here, they go to admissions committee or adcom, and then they help you at the time of admissions, like these is whatever queries you people have. So this is the committee that will be taking up your answers, your questions. So this is a very brief about Lime. They have a lot of other things that they are a part of. We have Logcom, that is the logistics committee. So what they do, all the committees, all the clubs and committees, whatever logistics, whatever things they require to make their event successful, this is the committee who takes care of all of that. So whatever you need, be it the stage, the ramp, the speakers, the decoration material, anything that you need for your event, this is the committee that will make sure that your event becomes successful, and they'll bring everything to you. So they work on those lines. We have Matrix. So Matrix is the IT forum. So like we had finance forum, HR forum, so we have IT forum. So they conduct events around that. If you are a person who is interested in IT and coding and all, then you can be a part of this. Then we have Omega. Omega is the consulting forum of TAPME. So for example, they conducted an event, so they gave us a case, and then we had to provide a solution around that. We had to basically enact as consultants, and then we had to provide a solution to that issue, to that problem. So they conduct events around that. We have Ops Forum, that is Operations Forum. So again, similar to others like Omega, HR, Finance, Globis. Then we have SCOT, that is the Sustainability Committee of TAPME. They work on those lines and promote sustainability. They conduct few events. For example, in our time, they conducted an event called as Clay Ganesha. So it was the time around Ganesh Chaturthi. So whoever participated, they gave them some clay, and then we had to mold a statue of Lord Ganesha out of it. So it was a very fun event. So they work around those lines like sustainability. And then we have SEG, that is the Social Endeavor Group. They work for the society. They work on social issues, or they help people. For example, towards the end of every session, we as students we can donate clothes or anything else, and then they'll make sure that they take it to the people who are in need. And also they uh, have an event where people uh, donate money, and then out of that money they buy new gifts, and then they donate it to the to children who are in need. So, and then a lot of other things they conduct on these lines. So yeah, social endeavor group, that is. Then we have a sports committee. So as the name suggests, they conduct sports events, and their main sports fest kind of a thing, we can say, that is known as speed. So there will be a lot of events that come under speed, and it will last for like few weeks. So people who are much into sports and all, so they can be a part of it if interested. Then we have TAF, that is the analytics forum. So like other forums, this is also one of those. It conducts events and workshops around that. For example, they'll conduct a workshop where they'll teach you about Power BI or maybe any other analytics tool. And then they also conduct case study competitions around that. They'll give you some data, some charts and all, and then you have to analyze and you have to find a solution to the given problem out of that. So they conduct similar events. So now we come to Toastmasters. So as the name suggests, this group works in improving the public speaking skills and communication skills of people. So if you are a part of this group, then you'll have events like where you'll have to speak on a topic, and things around that. So this group works on those lines. Then we have the marketing forum, or TMF. So similar to the HR, finance, IB and other forums, this group also, this committee also work around those lines. Like they'll conduct case study competitions related to marketing. They'll give you topics, and then you'll have to come up with solutions. You have to market your brand. For example, there was a competition where we were given topics like you had to sell gym membership to an old person, senior citizen, and then another was you had to sell boots to a person living in tropical area. Then one was you have to sell green tea to coffee lovers, then chocolate to fitness freaks. Then a lot of other topics were there, like 7 8 topics were there. So we had to market ourselves in a way that the person buys that stuff. So this is one of the things, one of the events that they conducted. We have a treasury. So this is the committee that takes care of the budget. So whatever so all the committees, they need a budget to conduct their events. They need money for that, right? So this is the committee that takes care of all of those things. Then we have welfare committee. This is a committee which is involved in a lot of things. They take care of a lot of things. For example, hostels. If anything goes wrong, if you have any issue, for example, the washing machine is not working, the water is not there, or anything else, you contact these people. Then discipline inside the campus, they take care of that. Then medical and hospital services. If someone is if there's an emergency, they'll take you to the hospital. They take care of the campus clinic as well. Then they also take care of a few events they conduct, as in uh, organize few events like Durga Puja, Ganesh Puja, then Janmashtami. So they are involved in conducting those events. So these are few of the things that they take care of. There are a lot of other things also they are involved in. So this is in brief what they do usually. Okay, then we have few clubs. The first one is Arthnivesh. So I know a little bit about this club. They on a broader level, they work on improving your financial acumen, and you can learn how you can manage your personal finances. So something around those lines they do. Then we have EBSB, that is Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. So they conduct events like Independence Day, then Republic Day, and then Karnataka Rajyotsav they conduct. So these are the few things that they do. That is Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. Then we have HOA, that is House of Arts. They do a lot of work a lot of decoration. They conduct a lot of events related to art and creativity. So if you are someone who is interested in all those things, then you can be a part of this club. Now we have TBC, that is the book club. So people who are readers kind of people, they can be a part of this club. And then we have another club, that is TJEF, that is TAPME Journal of Economics and Finance. So every day in the morning, the first mail you'll receive is from these people. They send you a breakfast mailer every day with articles related to economics and finance. So they work on those lines. And so these are few of the clubs that we have. Now we have few groups or committees, I should say, that I'll be mentioning now, apart from these that I've already mentioned. So we have SEC, that is the Student Executive Council. So this is a group that is not a part of any club or committee, but these are the representatives of students. They are the bridge between the management and the students. They manage and coordinate the clubs and committees, their events. They manage college fests and discipline and a lot of other things. There is an entire procedure to be a part of this group. And in first year, the senior SEC, like the second year people, they choose uh, class representatives for first year. And then in second year, again the elections and the entire process happens. And then they become batch representatives instead of class representatives. So others also can be a part of the selection in the second year as well. For example, if you were not able to become a class representative in first year, still you can become a batch representative in second year. So like entire process takes place. Then we have the placement committee. So as the name suggests, they work very hard, and they help people to get placed. They coordinate with the industry people, the HRs out there, and they bring companies to the campus. So they work on those lines. They also conduct a few events where they coordinate with the industry people and a few other things around that. So this is the placement committee. Apart from that, we have a few more things, like a few more groups. One is the brand scan. Then we have Samnidhi. And then we have eCell, that is the entrepreneurship cell of Atapni. So yeah, with this we come towards the end of this video. And if I talk about my committee, like I told you, I'll be telling you that. So I was a part of CultCom, that is the cultural committee of TAPME. I am very much into dance and music, and I just love to be a part of such events and such activities. So yeah, I was a part of cultural committee. And if you want me to share my experience, and as a member of cultural committee of TAPME, I can make a separate video on that. And I'll keep on posting your questions, your queries, and I'll try to answer as many as I can. Like, share, and subscribe to Vaishnavi's chat box. We'll meet next time. Till then, bye bye.